Today we're going to be using affiliate marketing with this method. You won't be needing any upfront investment and a complete beginner can do this too. This method requires little to no effort on your behalf. Once up and running, this can then turn into easy passive income payments each and every month. Firstly, let's head over to a website called Sellix. This here is a website that helps Amazon sellers make even more money. They help them by getting more customers to their page, and more customers will then increase their revenue and their sales. Now don't worry, we aren't going to have to become an Amazon seller or even know how to do it. All we need to do is use Sellix to then sell to these Amazon sellers. Sellix has a feature on their website, like many other websites similar to this, that helps everyday people make money. Even if they have not made a single penny online already and are also complete beginners, this method can also work for them. So what you want to do first is go through Sellix, have a check over, see some of their webs and understand slightly what they do. One of the main things that you really want to focus on is their customers' revenue. This stated that they had an average of 45% increase in total sales. So an Amazon seller would then be extremely interested in this, as they can then also increase their profits. So now you understand what they do, I want you to head down to the bottom of the page and find the link affiliate. This is just under About Us on the right hand side. If you click this, it's then going to take you to their affiliate program and then to a page like this. So this is where you can then sign up and become an affiliate for them, meaning when you refer someone to their product and they use the product, you get a commission from that sale. All you have to do is find an Amazon seller, tell them about this service, and then when they sign up through your link, you'll receive the payment. They have unlimited earnings, so you don't have a limit on the amount that you're going to be earning. So the more sales you get, the more money you're going to get. To make this even better, this website offers you something that not many other websites similar do. So if a seller then uses the free report, you'll get paid for that. So it costs nothing to the seller, but at the same time, you'll get paid. If they then use the free report and then they sign up after as well, you'll get even more money. Moving a bit further down the page, you'll see that some of the big YouTubers are affiliates for Sellix as well. So this shows how legit the service is. You could even use some of their content to help you later on in this video. Unlike them though, you won't be needing to show your face or use your own voice. This method can be done entirely without those two things. So now I want you to sign up to the affiliate program. We just head up to the top again and press apply now. This could take maybe 24 to 48 hours to get accepted, but once that's done, you'll be able to start driving traffic to your affiliate link. So now the next step in this method is to come over to Google and search for how to get more sales on Amazon. This can be anything along those lines as well. So if you want to change what you search, then that's fine. Basically, you want to find out the top tips to doing this so you can use it in our method. So if we go on this one here, so how to increase sales on Amazon, 14 pro tips for 2022. So this is a full article. It has images as well and all the different top tips. So this here is one good article that we could use. What we want to do is find a couple different articles, and we're then going to need to copy that link and move on to the next step. So if we copy this link at the top, and we're going to bring that link over to a website called Lumen 5. This is a website that's going to change your detailed article into a done for you video with images and all the text from the article pulled over. So this takes all the hard content making work away by simply copy and pasting a URL into the software. So to get this done, head to all videos and then find this bit that says new video. Obviously once you've signed up, of course. Once you're ready, press new video. This will then bring you to the next page of picking a template. If you want, for now, you can just skip this stage and move on to the video builder. So now we're here, you can see that there is a box for us to put the URL which we just copied from earlier. So enter that here and then press import, and that will then start the process of building out your video. Paste it in there, press import. This should take only a few seconds. So once that's done, you'll obviously see the full script that's been pasted into this left-hand side here. So now what I want you to do is a little bit of work here to change some aspects of the text. Through this article, we're going to be wanting to add our own call to actions, leading people to Sellix with our affiliate link. That's going to be down in the description. So this whole video will be aimed at that affiliate link, which is how you're going to be making money. So making this into a video is obviously going to be helping Amazon sellers to make more money by using Sellix, which in turn will then make you money as well. These people wanting to know how to make more money is going to bring you in heavily targeted traffic to your link. Each one that signs up through your link or uses a free report will generate you money. So once we've changed the text and added all the relevant information, press convert to video. So once this is converting, this can take a bit longer sometimes. As you can see, it's made the video and it has all the relevant information on top of the images as well. Sometimes you may have to do a little bit of editing as well to change some of the aspects, but most of the time this will be all right. Now the video is finished, you'll see each slide and the text it has on it as well. Then when you're ready, press publish, and that will allow you to save it to your computer for you to use in our next step. So now we have that full video done, we want to go over to YouTube. We're going to want to make a channel solely based around getting more sales on Amazon and how to do it. You'll then be getting, like I said, massively targeted audiences to your videos. If you then make sure to add your link in the description and lead people to that in each video, you'll generate commissions every day. As you can see, this is one of the affiliates on Sellix. If we go down into his description, you can see he's offering the free Sellix benchmarker tool. So he's using the free tool to get people into the door. And for the majority of time, if people like using the free tool, they'll move on to the paid subscription. This will then make him even more money each time. So if you want, use videos like this to give you inspiration on how you create your videos, and add your own affiliate link in the description like this and lead people to it like this. You'll find a lot of people already searching for these topics are also making quite a bit of money already on Amazon. So they won't even think twice when they have to pay a bit towards a software that generates them even more money, especially like the free tool that I showed you. This free tool will also then make you money from the commission sales. Let me know in the comments if you've reached it to the end of this video, and also if you have any questions as well. If you did like this video, then please drop a like and subscribe for future money making methods.